when it comes to pitfalls, when BC, now I'm not asking you like, did any of your projects go wrong and was it your fault? But what have you seen what are typically the 2 to 3 pitfalls why
Yeah.
BC implementations could fail?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. I've seen them, but we've been able to. I've been lucky that I've had clients that truly understand the need and be able to react in situations like that. But we do try to our very best to prevent that. One is typically not going into organization change management and all that stuff. One is typically time. Um, we understand that your subject matter experts could they also have day-to-day job, right?
Yes.
So for them to spend time into this new implementation can be very difficult where they say, I don't have time to test. So that's number two is testing, where they don't have enough time to test a functionality in Business Central. So when they go live, they will say, I don't remember going through this, or, oh, did we think about doing this? That's an entire missed opportunity, which could have been prevented. Um, and then the last one is you typically around data migration. So bad data, right? Your analogy about buying a car, your car needs to be replaced. The
Yeah.
last thing you want to do is take your garbage in your car, or maybe you love that bucket seat and you want to put it on a Ferrari, right? Why
Yeah.
would you want to do that? Nothing against my, Honda Civic. I had one. I don't want my Honda Civic chair into my, I don't know, Tesla, for example, right? Tesla is more comfortable,
Yeah.
right? So that or Ferrari. So yeah, you know what I mean? Like you have to make sure your data is clean. So who is more knowledgeable about your data? You, a client, knows your data better than your partner, that better than a consultant. A consultant will tell you what data should go to where in the
Yeah.
field within Business Central, but they're not going to know what did you use this data for unless you do the discovery. But
So do most end users or customers have the know-how on cleaning their data, or they need some hand holding there no normally?
so that's when you have internal champion sponsors, executive sponsors, subject matter experts. A supervisor is typically not typically not always the subject matter experts. Typically, someone that does this task on a daily basis. Um, they have to be involved in that conversation. Now, you can have a partner or consultant walk you through the process where they can ask you those questions. Say, is this still relevant? When you are moving some data over, for example, your description may be um, wonky, right? You may have some colors in your description. Well, a functional consultant will tell you, hey, I understand you still need that, but let's move that into maybe an attribute within Business Central, or maybe a variant within Business Central. So the client may not know that, but
Yeah.
a consultant will tell you otherwise, but you still own that. It's like, do you really need that color in the description? You probably don't. Let's have consistency, proper formatting, right? So that would be a good combination of how you can make it work.